are you, Aiden? Good. It's chilly today, eh?
Yeah.
I'll let you get all set up here, and I'll get my stuff all set up here too. Whoops.
Don't make a mistake.
With when you're doing lesson 7 or 8 or both, whatever, you put completed.
Okay.
Because it's a review and practice of everything, right?
Right.
You're just going to do a little bit of everything today. Start time 10, 12. What's the odometer reading there?
31,240.
Okay, so yeah, like I said, we're going to do a review today. So I'm going to drive all over the city, take a tour of the city. If you're not familiar with Sudbury, you'll get a little bit more familiar with it today.
Do you need your book?
Oh yeah, thank you. Got your license, that's good. Thank you. Okay, so we'll take off. We'll turn around in the cul-de-sac up there. Your mirrors are all good?
Yep.
Okay. Right on. I think I'm gonna sneeze. Don't worry, I'm not sick. It's allergies.
How do I let go around this garbage truck?
Well, we could do a 3-point turn here instead. We'll just pull over, signal mirror blind spot. Look around before you back up. You just want to verify that nothing is around your vehicle before you reverse. That's good. So basically, I just make it up as I go. I just don't have any particular place to go, so.
Did you start the video?
Oh, everything's set up.
Okay. Waving at you?
We're making a video of this, but you're not in the video though. We don't point the camera at the students. Straight at the lights. So I'm just waiting to see when that light turns yellow over here. There, it turned yellow. You see the traffic slowing down, except for that guy. Throughway for transport drivers. They go from Highway 69 to Highway 17 here. So you got the highway signs. Shows them which direction to go to find their way to the 144 as well. We're going to turn left. And it's going to be a right turn at the lights. Here is once you get over the tracks, we'll signal left and go left. You can see which lane you want to get into there for the left turn, right next to the yellow line where the police officer is there.
Sudbury's finest.
go straight ahead. So what we're going to do here is we'll take the ramp, the big nickel road coming up here. Yeah, right turn. When you come in this ramp, there's a bunch of potholes to your right, so just go topside, closer to the yellow line. These potholes have been here for like 10 years. And you can build your speed up here, because you'll be joining traffic, merging into traffic that might be going like, 90, 100, but it's a 70 zone beginning here. And lane ending in 100 meters, so you want to merge. When you can read that 80 sign clearly, you can start building your speed up to 80. So by the time you reach the sign, you should be closer to 80. When you're holding the steering wheel, your left hand is good, because if you get into a forward crash, that'll slip off the wheel. But this one here, you might break your thumb because it's wrapped around the wheel. So more, just a little bit further down, and a little bit further down, right there, and thumbs right on top of the wheel like that. It gets a little weird at first, but once you get used to it, you're all right. Gives you better balance over the wheel as well if you loosen your grip a bit. So we got this white sign here, slower traffic, keep right. That would be us. Give her a little gas, no signal required. It's 2 open lanes. If you were crossing over the dotted white lines here, then you would use your signal. So you got the 2 arrowed panels here above each laneway, right? Those are really useful in the winter when you can't see the road markings. Just place your vehicle just directly under one of the panels. So you're establishing a nice 6-second following distance here. And you're at 80, good speed management. We're going to take this next exit here. And then you push the gas because you're going uphill. You can cancel your signal. You just keep your speed momentum going here, ignoring that 50 sign. Just go at a safe, comfortable speed for the corners. Nice. Good merge.